Tired of a site having access to your camera or location without your permission? Reset it in seconds with this simple trick. I'll show you exactly how to reset permissions for any site in Chrome, step by step. We'll walk through it together, and I've got screenshots to make sure you don't miss a thing. So let's start. First, open Google Chrome. You probably already have it open, but just make sure you're on that main Chrome window. It doesn't matter what tab you're on right now, just have the browser ready to go. Now navigate to the site you want to reset permissions for. This is the website that you accidentally gave access to your microphone or location, or maybe one you just don't trust anymore. Go ahead and type that website into the address bar and hit enter. Let it load up completely. Alright, now look at the very top of your browser window, right in the address bar. See that little icon just before the website's URL? It might look like a lock, or maybe an eye in a circle, or even a little information icon. Click on that. This is your gateway to controlling everything that site can do on your computer. A small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, click on the option that says Site Settings. It's usually near the bottom of that list. This is where Chrome keeps all the controls for that specific website. Now you're in the Site Settings panel. You'll see a list of permissions like camera, microphone, location, notifications, and so on. What we need to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom. There you'll find a section called More Settings and Permissions. Click on that to expand it. And here's the really important part. At the bottom of that expanded section, you'll see a button that says Reset Permissions. Click on that. Chrome will ask you to confirm because this is a big step. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to reset all permissions for this site?" Then just click the Reset button to confirm. That's it. You've just wiped the slate clean for that website. Now, if you want to double-check it worked, you can refresh the page. The next time that site tries to access your camera or location, Chrome will ask you for permission again, just like the first time you visited it. You're back in control. Now, what if you want to reset permissions for every single site you've ever visited? That's a different process. Instead of going to a specific site, click on the three little dots in the top right corner of Chrome, the menu button, go to Settings, then click on Privacy and Security on the left sidebar, and then click on Site Settings. At the very top of that page, you'll see an option that says View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. Click that, and then at the very top of that next page, there's a button that says Clear All Data for All Sites. This is the nuclear option, so use it carefully. It will reset every single site's permissions and remove stored data like cookies. A couple of quick tips. If you only want to block a specific permission, like just the camera for one site, you don't need to reset everything. In that site's settings panel, you can click the drop-down next to camera and just set it to block. Also, keep in mind that some sites might behave oddly after you reset permissions. They might ask you for access again on your next visit, but that's totally normal. And that's really all there is to it. From feeling frustrated and exposed by unwanted site permissions to confidently managing and resetting them in seconds, you've got this. If you found this helpful, give it a like and I'll catch you in the next one.